Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, big bird down. Oh my God. Oh, it is 6:18. Oh my God. What a hunt. Oh, that's got a rope on him. Oh my God. Nothing gets any better than that, man. Nothing any better than that. Let me show you him here, guys. Oh my God. I thought I wasn't gonna get him for a while. Look at that. Yeah, he's got a rope on him. Oh yeah. Nice paintbrush. Oh my God. I'm still shaking. He stayed on the roost forever. And I was actually debating on moving on him. And I saw this big bird fly down out of the tree and he landed. I was set up on this meadow here. And I was set up right in there. I was on that tree there. And I have a decoy out in front of me. But he must have never seen it because he landed back in there. He crossed the creek right behind me and I watched him and I'm like, crap, he's gonna get to this field. I ain't gonna be able to call him back across. Well, I knew I could see right here, so I got my slate out and yelped once and he came right down the edge and I was watching and I just heard him gobble right here. And I mean, I was looking this way and I couldn't see him. And then I saw his big blue-red head pop up. And he saw me, so I knew it was now or never. He putted once and I let the old stoger bark this morning. What a hunt. What a before school hunt. I'm gonna make it on time to school today. I was gonna skip. Let me show you him here. I'm tickled. I am tickled. Nice long beard. I'm actually really close to my house right now. It's about 200 yards up the hill, and I roosted this bird last night and I thought that meadow there I'd be within 175 yards of him, and he ended up being a lot farther away than I thought. And there around 6 o'clock, when I thought he should have been off the roost and I thought he might have had hens with him, so I started getting pretty aggressive with the slate. And my call, it's a glass over slate, so I was switching back and forth trying to make it sound like there's two hens fighting. And he pitched off a lot later than I thought. And I thought when he crossed behind me I was done, but I was able to get him to come back up the edge on the back side here and put a good, probably 35-yard shot on him. I hope I got it on video. If not, I'm sorry. Definitely got him gobbling on video. But that's what it's all about, man. Pennsylvania turkey hunting right there. And I'm gonna work the camera now for a little bit, try to get some of my buddy's birds, and hopefully get some more footage for you. So this is my This is a good long beard. I'll get the measurements on him and let you know how big he is. Thank you.